Hey Joe, Danica, Nadan, this is Bobby showing you your video on the stuff that I found what you can do to help grow your clientele. If at the end of this video you want to take advantage of this free action plan, then go for it. And of course, if you want some help, give me a call and I'll see what I can do to help you to reach your goals. So the first thing that I want to show you is Google search. So right here, the first what I searched was painters in Fort Worth, and then I used this tool called Ahrefs that I pay every month about $400 for. It's telling me that painters in Fort Worth, that keyword, key phrase is searched 250 times every single month, and it has an approximate cost per click of $15. So what that means is this first section right here, the ad section, these people are paying Google so they can be listed whenever somebody types in painters for Fort Worth. The thing about the ads is that nowadays a lot of web browsers come with ad blockers. So whenever those people search anything in Google, this is not going to be right here. So you're paying for a service that might work or it may not work for you. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit more. This next section right here in the map, it's called the map pack, or it's called the NAPS section. What NAP stands for is name, address, and phone number. So your NAP is the way Google has your business listed. And so whenever people search Google, they search for anything, they usually probably pick something right here that's in the first part of the map section. And if you're not right here, then that's a lot of work or a lot of business that you're missing out on simply by not being right here. So that's 250 times every month that your business isn't being considered just because you're not listed here. So I know you're wondering how you list yourself here. Well, Google has what's called, it's a GMB or Google My Business page, that it's something that you can sign up for free, but you just need to put in the right work, the right information, and that's something that I can help you with, or of course you can do it on your own. But in order to be right here, it's dependent on how many citations you have. So I use this other program right here. It's called whitespark.com. I looked up your name to see how many citations y'all have. So it's your name, your phone number, and then what city you're in. So I say address, but it doesn't even have to really have an address as long as it has a zip code where you're located. And I see that you have 8 citations. So I noticed that you didn't have a Google My Business page, but that's one thing that you can do to get there, and then you have to add more citations. So Southern Painter was number 1 on that list, and I noticed that they have 54 citations. If I click right here, it gives me the list of all the directories they're listed in. So whenever you get your Google My Business page, go to different directories where you can use your business, where you can list your business, but make sure that they're relevant to painting. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to show you is underneath the map section. It's called the organic section. And so the way you get right here is based on your website. I noticed also that you guys don't have a website. And once again, that's a lot of business that you're missing out on by not being right here. But having a website alone isn't going to put you here, just like having a GMB page alone isn't going to get you on citations. The thing that gets you right here is content and keywords and backlinks. So what content is just the amount of words that you have on your website. For example, when I look right here, you just need to have more words on your page than them. If you decide you want to build a website, then let me know and we'll get you at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content so you can be listed on here. And then you have to have certain keywords. So make sure that your keywords, that you have all the high searched keywords in the content on your page, so that way that you can be here. The next thing is also backlinks. Backlinks is almost like citations in a way where with citations, it's other businesses that are similar to you that have your website link into their website. So for example, whenever I looked up Southern Painting, I noticed that they have 15 referring domains. So that's 15 other businesses that are putting their Southern Painting's website into their website, and that's giving them power and authority on the internet and making them rank up there high on the Google search engine. So you have to find companies like maybe Best Buy, Home Advisor, or Home Advisor is the citation, but so like Best Buy, Yelp, Facebook, stuff like that, so that you can list your website out and then you can be up here in the top part of Google. So I want to just show you a little something else. So right here I see that Southern Painting, they're getting about 131 visits to their website every month because of the keywords that they have, and because they have 113 backlinks from 15 different companies. So their traffic search is $1.3 thousand every month that they're getting for free. So they're listed right here high, but they're not even paying Google to be listed on there. So basically those are the 3 things that I wanted to go over. Make sure you get a Google My Business page and add citations to a lot of other listings, a lot of other directories. You already have 8 in play, so you just need to find more so that you can be up there in the Google Map Pack. And then if you decide later you want to build a website, then let me know and we can do different things to build your website so you can also be in the organic section. I hope that this was informative for you. If you need anything, give me a call. The only thing that I'm asking is that y'all give me a Google review. Let me know how you think that I did. I'm going to send this to you, and I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye.